Hi everyone. This is Massimo. Did you wash your hands? Did you stay home? Did you respect the other? Did you respect the food you bought? Because waste is something absolutely not acceptable, especially in this case. We're gonna do a few recipes just to make visible the invisible. Because cooking, as I always say, is an act of love. So, follow me and follow the recipe. We create a pastiera ice cream. Milk, approximately, and a little bit of cream. Okay, and we're gonna put
Vanilla bean.
vanilla bean. Ok? E dopo facciamo anche la nostra marmellatina, però la facciamo diventare una salsa, ok?
Ok.
Latte, un pochettino di panna e vaniglia, le scorze degli aranci. Per prendere anche, andiamo a filtrare, ok?
So now we go and filter.
Filtriamo tutto. Andiamo ad aggiungere la nostra pastiera, ok?
Yep. So now we have milk and heavy cream, all flavored with vanilla bean and orange. And now we're adding the leftover of the pastiera that we had from yesterday's Easter lunch. We take our mixture and we're putting it.
E la mettiamo dentro. Voilà. In the meantime, questo è il passato, ok? Dopo lo andiamo a mettere nella gelatiera. Lo mettiamo in un contenitore, tutto bello passato al setaccio, e lo andiamo a riporre in frigorifero per un paio d'ore.
Okay. So now we're gonna go put it in the fridge for a couple hours.
Rifacciamo la famosa marmellata che facciamo vedere con un'aggiunta di succo d'arancio, acqua e vaniglia per recuperare.
We're doing this in a little bit more of a sauce so that we can use it for both the pastiera that we have, which is this famous Easter cake that's very typical of Italy, or the colomba, which is another Easter cake. And this is made mainly with orange juice, orange peel, water, and sugar and vanilla.
Quindi montate tuorli, zucchero e amido. 150 grammi, dopo vi do poi tutte le ricette, della colomba avanzata che voi andrete a frullare, ok?
So here we have egg yolk and sugar and a little bit of potato starch. And then here we're putting in the leftovers from an Easter cake and now all mixing it together.
It's called colomba pasquale.
It's called colomba pasquale.
E poi andiamo ad aggiungere la polvere di colomba. L'andremo ad aggiungere allo zabaione.
Okay. So here we're just adding our colomba powder, which is an Easter cake. We're adding it to our zabaione.
Zabaione
plus cornstarch.
You concentrate all the flavor, you toast all the leftover from colomba di Pasqua, and you rebuild the colomba di Pasqua as a soufflé. Look at this. Isn't it much better than a classic colomba? Come on, let's be honest. Or la pastiera. Look at this. You have pastiera ice cream that is gonna go with the leftover sauce from the orange that you have here. These are the oranges and this is the sauce. One thing that is extremely important that I always say, keep always very clean. And it doesn't matter if you are a chef, a CEO, or like a dishwasher, always clean, because it's your job. As soon as you are, è lo stesso che se tu sei sulla tua scrivania. La colomba ha ripreso vita, gli scarti di colomba hanno ripreso vita. Ah, voilà.
So we took out of the oven our beautiful demi-soufflé.
Exactly.
That is made with the leftovers of colomba, which is a typical Easter dish.
Oh
typical
my
Easter
God.
dessert.
It's warm.
It's warm and beautiful. And then
It's better than colomba.
it is probably better than colomba. And now we're adding our pastiera ice cream that we just took out also. So you have our pastiera, which is also an Easter dessert.
And this is the marmellata from the orange zest that we usually have leftover with all our orange peel.
Yep.
You know, the leftover from the spremute d'arancio, no?
Yeah.
Respect the food is like respect the others. Stay home. It's very important to stay home because it's a sense of respect also for the others. Thanks, Rudy, for the technology. Without technology, we couldn't do everything we have done. Grazie.